So we're gonna do the same one from yesterday, so it kind of makes sense and we can go a little bit faster. So I think it was what, 5, 3, and we're gonna face 800,000, and it's oversized on the outside diameter by 100,000. Okay, and then we're gonna add all that stuff in there. So if you like, you can start making it until I wait for our friend Ignacio to log in. Got it? Yeah. Did you face it? Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, cool. All right, so I'm behind it. So I'm gonna go line 1 from here. So just double check how it works, okay? From here, there, so it's gonna be 5.0, enter. From here, same. Over here, 1.5, enter. Down, enter. And then I'm gonna keep that one, that one, that one, that one. And now I have that, so I'm gonna make my stock. So I'm gonna go switch to solid turn. So we're gonna go to machining, color machining, machine setup. The start position, 0.100. This is 3.1. Maximum diameter, 3.1. Total bar length is gonna be what, Nacho? I'm sorry, Ignacio.
7.1.
That's it, 7.1. And then over here, 7.1. So we're good. Assembly, index turret. Now that one is gonna be 15 inches back. 15 inches back. Main spindle, Paul, what is my main spindle home position, Zulu?
-7.
-7, very good. So -7. So now we're gonna click OK. And we just double check our stop. 1 inch holding, 1 inch clearance. 100,000 for facing, 50,000 for OD work. We got it. We need what now? The tool. So let's go and make that tool. So we're gonna go to tooling, turning insert. Turning insert, we're gonna go 674 ohm.
You don't go to roughing?
Not yet.
Oh no, I'm making the tool after. If you go to roughing, you don't have a tool, so you need a tool. Remember, in roughing, it's gonna ask you what tool do you need. So this one is gonna be a OD tool. All right, so tool number 1, setting, turret name, index turret 1, the station 1, 3, vertical. Shank. Remember I said yesterday what we have outside is 1 inch by 1 inch. And then over here, this one is by default on Charlie is like it's sticking out for 10 inches. It's 5 inches. Actually it's 4, but we can go 5. 5 inches. Then the insert, Charlie, diamond, 80 degrees. And we have a 0.015, so that's fine. If you have 0.015 or 30, if you have 15,000 or 32,000, it's okay. 15,000 is for a finished tool. 0.032 is for a roughing tool. Okay, but if you have either or, for right now, it's okay. So then we click OK, and now we have a tool. OD tool, packet number 1. So we have it. So now we select this vertical line, we go create features, auto chain it, it's going the wrong direction, see? That's wrong. So we have to reverse it, over here reverse. Ignacio, are you there or already passed you?
No, I got that. It's just, I was fighting with the tool.
Okay, got you. So reverse, and then touch the line, and now we have it. So now we select chain number 1, and then we go to solid turn, and now we go to roughing. General 674 ohm. operation name, so this is gonna be a phase, 100,000. Now tool, we go over here and we select our tool. Strategy, type of work, phase, finish pass no, start extension, Hamilton,
Start extension 155.155, and then the end is 100,000. Right.
very good. And then entry mode, Mr. Corey,
Z the next.
see the next, very good. So we look for those, see the next. And then over here, my entry point is gonna be 100,000. And what is my entry point, Rios?
You said entry?
Right, entry point for X-ray. For X.
100,000.
What is it?
100,000.
Is it? No.
1.75?
What is it?
1.75?
Right, 1.75, 750? Okay. So and then we copy the same for exit mode. See the next, where is it? There you go. Point 100, 1.750. And then, two blend, yes. Raw. Stock length, how much are we facing? 100,000. And then maximum depth of cut, let's go and make 2 cuts, so we're gonna go 0.050. Man, it's getting bad that time.
I might be swimming home.
You guys don't drive low car, right? Like a Honda Civic. Honda Civic?
No, but it's low.
What do you drive?
Focus ST.
A what?
A Focus ST.
Go kart.
But it's the yellow car outside, the one that's like really low.
The one's got like
So-
water in his doors right now.
Probably. It's fine. I'll claim it on insurance.
Blame it on Houston.
All right, Ignacio, you good? So we click OK, and then I can see that it's correct. I can see the remarking is above and is below my origin. So that's good. So I'm gonna go play the simulation.
Mine says feature width
Where's my tool?
must be greater than 0.
Oh shit.
Pura bola.
Oh God.
Mine says roll stop.
Okay, so if you come over here, double click on over here. So what do you have on your stock link?
Stop.
Bless you.
Which tab are you on, bro?
On rough.
Oh, my stock.
The stock links, what is it?
I have stock diameter.
That's at the top under stock.
Right here, brother.
Do I change that one?
Right, type, link, and then a stock link.
Casting.
You are on the last
Your
tab.
tool's not
Yeah.
5 inches.
Mine no tiene link. It says diameter, offset, automation, and casting.
Alright, here we go. As you were.
All right, so we got facing done. So we click OK, and it's done, right? See over here, okay, nice and done.
Oh, that scared the hell out of me. I thought the power went out.
Yes, I saw that light go off.
All right, guys, look over here. So now we're gonna put a fillet over here. So let's do a radius of 250. Okay.
Oh, I think I know how to do this.
Alright, see how to do it.
Bro.
Same concept?
Are you okay, Paul?
Mine has a little red dot when it's facing.
Got a what?
A little red dot.
Like
Crashed.
Rudolph's
I don't think that
nose.
means anything bad though. I don't know.
Red don't mean
It's
nothing.
either
But
the toolpath or a crash.
tool crash?
Well, the toolpath isn't red,
Yeah, that's wrong.
but if
No.
it's solid.
Alright, we gotta pause again.
Of 250.
Alright, as you were. Here we go.
So remember, so we're gonna go Control key, letter M,
Control M.
and where is my? Is it this one? Solid? Can't remember. Detail.
You don't know what he's doing. What do I do? I don't
So for this one is different?
What was that?
It's whole different.
To take off the stuff for this one is different? If we're not using the features in the toolpath?
What do you mean?
To take off the, for you can only see the.
Right, I'm trying to find it. Lathe stuff right here. Boom. So it's
Details.
you go Control M, basic, details, and then you have the lathe stuff. Okay.
Okay.
You can go to basics and take that feature, so you know, or you can take the toolpath. You know, I'm gonna take the features off so you guys can see better.
Okay.
All right. So
Alright.
why? So we can draw.
Oh, I was right.
That's
Or
it.
am I wrong?
So it's just to help you out. You don't have to take it out, but it's just for me, for you, so you guys can see what I'm doing. So here's your geometry. How do we make a fillet? So we just go to unbounded geometry, and then we go to fillet and chamfer, fillet of 250. We click this horizontal and the vertical line. And then we have it.
Damn, that's correct.
Okay, so now we put everything.
He was right.
Boom,
Mullet.
boom. Lathe stop. So it's nothing new. It's the same thing from exam 1. Just geometry. This one, right?
But now we need a tool.
Okay, so now we can talk about it. Do we need a tool?
We can
Who
use the
say
same
yes?
tool.
But
Do we
will,
need a tool?
are you going to use the same facing tool though?
Yes.
I'm guessing no.
Huh?
Well, you can use the same tool.
I can use the same tool.
Huh. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Use
you
the
don't
same
have to
tool.
create another
Well,
tool.
you need the tool, but yeah, you need the same tool.
Okay?
It's not gonna curve itself.
Yeah.
Right, you need a tool, but I can use the same tool to make that arc.
Okay.
Not a problem. Okay? So yes, so we don't need to make the tool. Now, do we need a chain?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. Alright, so let's make that chain. So look what I'm going to do. I'm gonna go Control key, hold it, select the arc, and select the horizontal line. So I have both. And be careful with those students that are going shift and clicking the whole thing. No, look. Control key, hold it, select just the arc, and select the horizontal line. That's
I have a
it.
question.
Yes, sir.
The reason why you say not to click the whole thing is because if you click the whole thing, it's gonna take into account that middle line, right?
Right.
The middle line is the
It's
middle
thinking
part.
that you want to machine all the way around it.
All right, select it, chain it, run it. I want to see.
Alright? Okay, so now we're gonna change it. So we're gonna go create features, how to chain it. And this is what you want. You want it to change from the front of the face. If it is going the other side, personally, I don't really like that way. However, I do have some friends that they do at their company, they program that way. I
Sure.
don't. Because that means
Triangles.
it's gonna
Going
do a rapid
counterclockwise.
movement to way over here and then it's gonna go back. No. I mean, that will scare me that you go in a rapid movement because I'm thinking, my brain is very slow.
About to
So
crash
I'm
the truck.
thinking that I will crash.
Yeah,
Because
run
I
that up
was-
100%.
100%.
Right, so, yeah, especially if.
So for this one is different?
What was that?
To take off the stuff for this one is different? If we're not using the features in the toolpath?
What do you mean?
To take off the, for you can only see the.
Right,
the
I'm trying to find it. Lathe stuff right here. Boom. So it's you go Control M, basic, details, and then you have the lathe stuff. Okay? And you can go to basics and take that feature so you know. Or you can take the toolpath. You know what, I'm gonna take the features off so you guys can see better. Alright, so why? So we can draw.
Oh, that's right.
That's it. So it's just to help you out. You don't have to take it out, but it's just for me, for you, so you guys can see what I'm doing. So here's your geometry. How do we make a fillet? So we just go to unbound the geometry, and then we go to fillet and chamfer, fillet of 250. We click this horizontal and the vertical line. And then we have it. Okay, so now we put everything back. Boom, boom. Lathe stop. So it's nothing new, it's the same thing from exam 1. Just geometry, this one, right?
But now we need a tool.
Okay, so now we can talk about it. Do we need a tool? Who say yes?
But
Do we need a tool?
Are you gonna use the same facing tool though?
Yes.
I'm guessing. No.
Huh?
Well, you can use the same tool.
I can use the same tool.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay. So you don't have to create another tool.
Well, you need a tool, but yeah, you need the same tool.
Okay?
It's not gonna curve itself.
Yeah.
Right, you need a tool, but I can use the same tool to make the arc. Not a problem. Okay? So yes, so we don't need to make the tool. Now, do we need a chain?
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. All right, so let's make that change. So look what I'm going to do. I'm gonna go Control key, hold it, select the arc,
Oh, look at that.
and select the horizontal line. So I have both. And be careful with those students that are going shift and clicking the whole thing. No, look. Control key, hold it, select just the arc, and select the horizontal line. That's it. Yes, sir.
The reason why you say not to click the whole thing is because if you click the whole thing, it's gonna take into account that middle line, right?
Right,
The middle line is the
it's
middle.
thinking that you want to machine all the way around it.
It's like a chain it, run it. I wanna see.
All right? Okay, so now we're gonna change this, so we're gonna go create features, auto chaining. And this is what you want. You want it to change from the front of the face. If it is going the other side, personally, I don't really like that way. However, I do have some friends that they do at their company, they program that way. I don't. Because that means it's gonna do a rapid movement to way over here and then it's gonna go back. No. I mean, that will scare me that you go in a rapid movement because I'm thinking, my brain is very slow, so I'm thinking that I will crash. And I will,
100%.
right, so, yeah, especially if it is running 100%, those small machines, so yeah, that's too much. All right? So after we have that chain, so we have that chain over here, so we go to chain, then we go to solid turn, and we go to roughing again. And now it's getting easy, guys. It get easy, so now.
I'll be right
So we're
back.
gonna go general.
Let's go, sir.
You want me to stop or?
No. It may be a while. I'll be right back, though.
Okay. Somebody can record this for Mr. Corey?
I'm recording right now.
Alright,
Oh, okay. So now, so we're gonna go 624 all. General operation name, so what is this? OD turn, OD turn. Tool, so we're gonna go and select the same tool, OD tool. Strategy, type of work, what type of work is this?
This one's OD.
OD, that's right. Finish pass, no. Here we go. You guys ready to scream? Start extension, 0. End extension, 0. Huh? You like that, huh? All right, let's see where we are over here. Matter of fact, right now it's only one more question they're gonna ask you. All righty. Okay, entry mode. Listen. The opposite from facing. So what is facing?
Z then X.
And what is the opposite?
X and Z.
That's it, you got it. Entry point for Zulu. Remember we said yesterday it was a standard, so what is it? 100. And now, entry point for X. You said it yesterday that you guys are programmed 100,000 above, right?
Yeah.
So what is the distance from here to here?
1.5.
1.5, that's right. And if you want 100,000 above that,
1.6.
1.6. That's it. Everybody understood how I got the 1.6? Yes? You guys doing it on the CNC, on the lathe and mill.
So it's the total radius.
Right, so if we want to be technical, so we have to go 1.7. But still, it will do it. But if we want to be, yes, 100,000 above, it will be 1.7. Okay, but 1.6 will do it. How about this one? If you are above the 1.5,
It's gonna cut.
it's gonna call it, it's just closer. All right, so then exit mode is the same from entry mode. So we look for X then C, and exit point, 100, and then 1.6. And then over here, is asking a 2 blend, yes. And then on the roughing, type, diameter, a stock diameter. What is the stock diameter right now?
3.1.
There you go. Don't get tricked by the software. 3.1, that's right. But remember, diameter. So, in other words, remember this, when the software doesn't mention that it's a diameter, they're talking about radius. Is that making sense? If they ask you diameter is diameter, if they don't say anything, don't even fight yourself. Are they asking me diameter or radius? No, if they don't have the word diameter, that means it's radius.
So unless specified.
There you go. Okay. Now over here, maximum depth of cut, 200,000. I mean, it's just gonna make one cut. So we can leave it at 200,000. It can do the math for us. And I think that's about it. So let's summarize. General, OD turn, the same tool, strategy, OD work, finish pass no, start extension 0, end extension 0. And then over here is the opposite from facing, so X then C. How do we get the 1.6? Just is radial, so you have to be above that 1.5. And then roughing, over here it's asking you type, diameter, what is the stock diameter? What is the stock diameter right now? So it's at 3.1. Then we click OK. Then from the beginning, you see the other side, and you can see the nice fillet.
Word. Looks sick, man.
Will, need help? You
Not
good?
yet.
All right.
Thank you, though.
Ignacio? Easy? It got easier.
A little bit.
A little bit?
Yes, a little bit.
All right.
It's gonna take some time.
Right.
I'm gonna need some homework.
Yes, we need to practice, for sure.
Because you let me go like this to the house. Monday, 0. Tuesday,
Bro, she-
double 0.
She's
Because I don't even know my grade right now.
Oh, I went over the grades. Let me know whenever we finish so I can give you the grades. Paul, question.
No, sir.
Got it to work?
Yes.
Rios,
It's working.
Pena, Bill, over here. Okay. So let's go over here. Let's go F7, stop simulation. Stop simulation, and let's do some back engineering. So let's go to the OD turn, delete it. Chain 2, delete it. Okay? So now we're gonna go control key, letter M, take the lathe. I'm gonna go to basic, take the features off, and take the toolpath off. Okay? So now I'm gonna fix this. So let's see if I can click on this one, on that arc, and delete it. I mean, I'm trying to do, I already show you how to do a fillet, right? So now I need to, a chamfer. What do you think? It's gonna be the same? Yes, exactly the same. All right, but let's do it. So now I'm gonna go on bonded geometry, line 2, and just connect those 2 lines. I'm doing the same thing. It's just now I'm gonna show you how to do a chamfer. But it's the same process, and hopefully you can do it. So, but we're gonna do it together. All right, we good? Rios, you good?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now bring everything back. Let's stop. All righty. So escape. So now let's do it again. Control key. I need a chain, and I need a horizontal line, right? I need these two. I need the angle, and I need that horizontal line. So now go create features, auto chaining. Oh, but look what it's doing in mine. I don't know about yours. It's going the wrong direction. I do not like to program that way. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna reverse it. So reverse and touch that line. So now it's going from the face back. And that's what we want. Okay? So now we select that chain, and let's see if you guys can do it. I mean, it's the same process. Solid turn, roughing, general, system default all, operation name. So now it's OD, well, if I can type, it's gonna be OD chamfer. Chamfer and turn. And turn. Alrighty. What tool? OD tool, strategy, type of word, OD, yes, finish pass, no, start extension, 0, end extension, 0. Entry mode Pena, what is it?
Sorry. C, X to C.
X, there you go, extend C. I can find the extend C.
Could go to roughing, right?
Yes, sir.
Roughing, no.
And then what is my entry point, Paul, for X-ray?
0.1.
0.1?
1.6.
1.6.
Right.
Exit mode, same thing, extend C. Exit point for C, 0.100, and then 1.6 again. We keep answering the same questions. To blend, yes. We go to the next tab, roughing, type diameter, stock diameter. What is my stock diameter, Rios?
Stock diameter. is 3.1.
Excellent. 3.1, and then maximum difficult 200,000. Sure, it's only gonna take 50. Right? So now we're gonna go click OK, and I see the red marking, so it's looking good. Play simulation, X, Y, and Z. Let's slow it down a little bit and run it. I see my facing and make my chamfer. Make sure that you're saving this one, okay? Probably you can, we're gonna keep on working on this part, but you know, you can save it as you know, OD chamfer. You know, you can save it facing. Come on, Rios. No, it's tough. We're almost there. Yes, sir. You got it? Come on. Okay, so from the beginning. So stop simulation. So we're gonna keep adding some geometry. So we're gonna go lathe stock off, basic, feature soft, toolpath off. All right. So now let's put something over here like this. Let's do a square grooving. So somewhere over here, let's do a square grooving. Let's say from here to here is gonna be 300,000. Okay, and then down, let's say it's gonna be 100,000. So 100,000 down by 300,000 the width, okay? Now from here to here, so let's put some crazy dimension. From here to here, let's say, let's go 2 inches, 2.0, so we can get our reference point, okay? So let's see if we can do it. So look, so I'm gonna go unbound the geometry. Come on, Pena, come on. Unbound the geometry from the vertical line from here. Where's my line one? There you go. So I'm gonna go 2.0, 2.0, enter. And now from this line, I'm gonna go back. What is it? 300? 300,000. And then from this line down, I'm gonna go 100,000. So I'm gonna go ahead, keep this one, that one, and that one. So that's what you need. Okay, you want me to do it again?
Yes, please.
Okay. All right, line one, from here, 2 inches, right? 2.0, enter. From this line back, 300,000. And from this horizontal line down, 100. So now we're gonna go keep this one, that one, and that one. So you have a shape of a square grooving.
Okay. That's what I was gonna ask you. Do you leave the top, the top line?
You don't need it, but it won't hurt you either. So good, good, good. All right. Turning tools, but now look, we're gonna go to grooving insert. Grooving insert, right here. So now we go to grooving insert, 624 all. So tool, so this is gonna be a square, insert. insert. Tool number, packet number 2, settings, turret name, index turret 1, station, station 2, that's right. Orientation, okay, so 3B, right, 3 vertical. Shank, all right. Shank size, same thing, 1 inch by 1 inch. Okay, so see everything kind of like start making a little bit of sense. This right here, so on Charlie is sticking out 4 inches, that's fine. So it is actually a 4. Now we're gonna go and see the insert, that's what we need to pay attention. On the insert, shape, look over here, you got 2 options, groove and full radius. So what do you think whenever we're doing the round groove, which one do you think we're gonna use?
Full radius.
Right, full radius, but right now, which one do you think we need? Yeah, just groove, that's right. So just groove, and the hand, you don't worry about that one, that's something that the operator has to do. Nose radius, 0.015, that's fine. So you can go to the corner. The width is at 250. Is that gonna work?
We can, because it'll do 2 passes, no? Or just
But
do-
your thing's 300 wide.
So we change it for you?
Look at the picture. So the width is 250, and the actual groove over there that we need is what? 300,000.
300.
Is it gonna work?
Yeah.
Yes.
Mine has a quarter, so it has 125, but I just change it to that, I guess.
Mm.
How about this? Okay, let me put an arrow over here. What if I?
Yeah, that would be
Do you think that's gonna work?
No.
50,000.
No. So this is what we need to pay attention. Same thing on the exam. So some of our students, if I say on the exam it was a 1/4 20, and we're using a 400,000 drill, is that gonna work for the tab? No, because it's already too big, okay? All right, so over here, in other words, it has to be less than 300. So 200, it will work. Now the size over here in the back, we don't really care the back. Now E over here is telling us that it's 250. How deep we're gonna go?
300 or 100.
100,000. So is enough?
Mm.
Yes, that is enough. Ignacio, are we getting this? In other words, you can go ahead It's giving you hell?
Yeah, it's saying I can't find the area to cut.
Couldn't find the area particular, verify stock, okay? So. I'm pretty sure that's the insert. Yeah, something is not liking about the insert. Alright, so cancel. Don't follow me. Let me see if I can fix it real quick. So I don't frustrate you guys.
I think the step over percent of the tool width might be it, maybe.
Hey, tomorrow or something? Still good?
I can open it for you, but tomorrow nobody's here.
That's cool.
No.
Huh? Oh, you're not coming tomorrow?
I mean, it all depends.
I will use it to get home.
Saturdays, the school is only open Monday through Thursday. So today is the last day for summer school.
Okay, and what about like the main campus, is it open on Fridays?
No.
Yeah, no?
Summer school, unless you go to the library is open.
Oh, I got
No,
it.
that's.
Si igual mañana no puedo, mis abuelitos.
All right, let's see what's going on with this. You fix yours? What was it?
It was just the insert.
It was an insert, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See tools.
So stock diameter, let me fix it real quick. Yeah, I know.
I just changed the width. And then that ended up changing the tool nose radius.
Yeah, because the width is larger than the.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, it works with the 100,000 width.
1.6. Well, it kind of answered your question then, right, Hamilton? What happened if you put a, you won't like it?
It'll just throw the error code.
Yeah.
There, yeah. Done.
Because it goes left, right. It goes like left, right, and then it
Yeah.
comes around and finishes that last one.
There you go. All right. So, all right, guys. So we got it. How do we get it? It was just the insert.
Insert was too buku.
Too big, right? So grooving insert. So you can just go to the insert, and what I did was I put it 100 and I make it larger so you can see if you like it. So the width on your insert, I put 100,000, and then for E I put it at 500, and the size for S 300,000. I don't know what you guys did, but if it worked for you guys, that's fine.
So I need the lid and create a new one.
Espérame.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Insert.
I can't.
Click OK. Then you go back to the operation. If it didn't let you have an operation, right? No? Okay, so for you guys, so go back to the chain, solid turn, and remember it's grooving, grooving, grooving. And whenever you go to grooving, I'm here with you, general. So OD round groove, select the tool, round insert or whatever you call it, the strategy, OD work, rough pass yes, finish pass no, X and C, 100,000, 1.7 or 1.6. It's okay, still it will work. Tool blend, yes. Roughing, type, diameter, stock diameter, 3.0. Pre-finish, yes. Click OK. It's okay, I'll come and get you, don't worry. There it is. At the beginning. And it's round.